I found some missing shingles in the back of my house. Naturally, I would need to call the insurance company and let them know, right? I can understand why you would think that you would need to call your insurance company because you have roof damage and you've got home insurance. But there's a few things that you should consider before making that call. What I would do first is I would call my own roofing company to come to my house, get up on that roof, figure out how much damage was created by the recent storm, hail, severe winds that you just experienced. They're gonna assess the damage, give you a report, and give you the proposal for how much it would cost to fix whatever damage was created. Okay, step 2. You're either gonna pull out your declaration page for your home policy because you need to see what's covered and what's not covered and what those deductibles are. But Kevin, I don't know where my declaration page is or what my coverages are. Well, then I'd recommend you call your insurance agency that your policy's with or the carrier, or try to log on to the app because you need that information. Okay, once you get a hold of that information, there's going to be certain deductibles for different losses. Some are going to be specific, like wind, hail, or all other perils, and they're all typically percentages of your dwelling amount. Dwelling amount is what the insurance company thinks it would cost to reconstruct your home. So let's just say, for easy math, it's $400,000 home. 1% deductible would be $4,000. 2%, $8,000. So then literally you take the report from the roofer. Let's just say it's gonna only cost $3,000 to replace the damages to your roof, and your deductible is at $4,000. Well, then it doesn't make sense to do a claim. But you wouldn't know that until after you would have supposedly called your insurance company, gotten an insurance adjuster on top of your roof to assess the damage, for them just to tell you, oh, hey, there's not enough damage here that warrants a claim. And you would think, well, no harm, no foul, right? They didn't pay out anything, no big deal. But insurance is kind of like think about like your credit score. When you have an inquiry, it's gonna go down on your score's gonna go down. So it's a factor that the insurance companies look at when they say, well, what kind of client is this? Is this a person that will call for any little thing or use their insurance a lot? And then they're going to put you into a different kind of risk pool, so to speak. So even though the insurance company didn't spend any money fixing your roof, you're going to be dinged because you tried to use your insurance, even though they didn't pay out a penny. So avoid that and do your own, get your own roofer to assess the damage, and then do some math, figure out if it makes sense to even do so. If you need my help, I'm licensed in all of Texas and a handful of other states. My contact information is in my bio. Thanks, hope this was helpful.